What's going on there, guys, and welcome back to our channel. After losing her slander lawsuit, insiders have now provided some information on Amber Heard's potential employment paths moving forward. Is Amber Heard out of Hollywood? Let's find out. Number 7. What occurs with Aquaman? The jury just reached a verdict in the slander lawsuit, paying Depp $15 million in compensatory and punitive damages while giving Heard $2 million in losses. Heard will reportedly reprise her role as Mera in Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom. She shot the majority of her sequences in London in the fall of 2021 for the film. Despite the fact that many fans backed Depp in the court case, co-star Dolph Lundgren recently sided with the actress after collaborating with her on a second Warner Brothers project. Despite some cast members' support for Heard, her tenure as Mera could possibly end after this trial. After a meeting with Warner Brothers executives, it's been decided to cut Amber Heard's sequences as Mera from Aquaman and the Lost Kingdom, according to trustworthy source Casey Walsh. Walsh's report claims Mera would pass away giving birth at the beginning of the sequel, but the results of its impending test screening will reveal the truth. Heard acknowledged that her part had already been reduced after being a prominent star in the first movie during the trial against Johnny Depp. Number 6. Will Mera's absence hurt Aquaman 2? As Jason Momoa's on-screen love interest in the 2018 film Aquaman, Amber Heard's Mera had more screen time than practically anybody else. As Arthur Curry ascended to the throne of Atlantis, the character was obviously positioned for a future in the DCEU and the Undersea series. Fans of the series could find it surprising if she doesn't appear, particularly because of an off-screen death that prevents her from appearing at all in the film. Principal production for the movie apparently wrapped up earlier this year, but with over a year before the film's release, reshoots to close up loose ends are definitely a possibility. If this report is accurate, Warner Brothers must believe that Heard's appearance would adversely affect the movie's overall box office, given many people didn't support her during the trial. She may be kept out of any publicity or promotion for the movie if she's fully cut out of the sequel. Heard isn't the only one not appearing in Aquaman 2, as Ezra Miller, who plays the Flash, has just been detained over several times in the past couple of months. The Flash's important position may compel Warner Brothers to continue through with Miller regardless of their actions, but Heard's condition may change significantly as the brand develops. Depp said during the trial that he was instrumental in getting his ex-wife the largest role of her career, Mera, in Aquaman, but he also claimed that he subsequently forewarned the studio about her when he realized that their divorce was about to turn up unpleasant. Given her prior legal difficulties there, the actor claims that Heard was hesitant to shoot the movie on location in Australia. She faced legal action in 2016 for bringing her pets into the nation against the law. Despite the fact that the charges were finally dismissed, Depp said that he called Warner Brothers on her behalf out of concern that they could still be reluctant to hire her in the movie. She asked if I would talk to them since I had a multi-film agreement with Warner Brothers and we had previously done business together, according to Depp's testimony in court. I called 3 senior Warner executives, Kevin Tsujihara, Sue Kroll, and Greg Silverman, the caller said. Number 5. Cold Manipulator. Amber Heard and Johnny Depp parted ways in 2015. The stunning Amber Heard then complains of domestic abuse against her ex-husband. Except for those who are close to Johnny, almost no one believes her, including ex-wives, children, and friends. Everything goes against her in February of 2020 when a phone call surfaces that reveals the complete reverse of whatever she claims. Amber Heard has gone from being a helpless victim of domestic violence to a ruthless manipulator. This type of reversal is not well linked in Hollywood and couldn't look well in any films. Number 4. His admirers desert her. Your career is virtually finished when your own admirers stop following you. Fans of the celebrity felt deceived and stopped following her on social media as a result of this audio clip being circulated online and in court. It seems that social networks are presently restricting their support for nurses and medical professionals. Internet users and supporters of Johnny Depp are presently banding together to protest the release of Aquaman 2. A petition to get Amber Heard removed from Aquaman 2 has already received around 30 signatures from members of the Justice for Johnny Depp campaign. Additionally, they demand that Disney apologize to Depp and that Amber no longer be cast in subsequent Hollywood films. Number 3. Homosexuality. It's true that many famous people have had the guts to come out of the closet and publicly display their homosexuality or bisexuality. However, Hollywood and viewers in particular are still struggling to process everything. When she previously made her attraction to both men and women public a few years ago, the actress herself had a few minor reservations. Contrary to the most beautiful lady in Paris, if we properly examine the lovely actress's career, we cannot fully conclude that she was extremely successful. Given recent events, his limited filmography might still be on hold. Number 2, Hollywood is notoriously brutal. How many famous people, including actors, singers, etc., have never experienced Hollywood's descent into hell? Hollywood can be quite unkind to celebrities at times, and they risk living in darkness. It's not looking good for Amber Heard right now, and things can go even further down this path. Just as the phone recording incident started to get attention, more damaging evidence and claims started to circulate. The actress is accused of verbal and psychological abuse by her former aide. Number 1, lawsuit still open. The Johnny Depp vs. Amber Heard lawsuit is still open. It's still in the process, and therefore, it's impossible to predict when it'll fall apart. Before determining whether or not to keep working with the actress, the producers are likely awaiting the outcome of this lawsuit. Her professional career is still up in the air. Is this the beginning of the end already? Even if we don't yet know the answer, the important thing to note is that Amber Heard hasn't produced any new movies since Aquaman 2, which raises the hypothetical issue about whether her career is over or not. Amber Heard essentially damaged Johnny Depp's career with the claims she leveled against him. Amber Heard might become the victim of karma and have her actions backfire. Whether she did it unwillingly or on purpose, we'll learn about it more in the future. And that about wraps up this video, guys, so let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. If you enjoyed the video, then let us know by giving it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, then don't forget to subscribe to our channel and have that notification bell icon leveled so you don't miss out on any of our upcoming videos in the future. We appreciate your time and interest, and until the next one, do be careful and goodbye.